Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing? Welcome back to Yum Yum with the Lentonets, where cooking is simple, fun, and easy. If you're new here, welcome to our channel. But if you're coming back for the second, third, or the fourth time, karibu sana, and make sure you subscribe. It really supports our channel. So, in today's episode, we are going to be preparing spicy chicken nuggets. And let me just take you through my ingredients. I have breadcrumbs, cooking oil, all-purpose flour, chopped chilies, an egg, grounded chili, boneless chicken. In that bowl, I have paprika, garam masala, and salt to taste. Then I have the red onions and the grass onions. So guys, let's do this. Okay guys, so the first step is you're going to mix everything, all these ingredients, into your all-purpose flour. I'm just going to mix everything into it. I'm just going to mix it. Then I'm going to break in my egg inside. Then I'll mix it. So I'm going to add in the chilies and the chopped chilies. Then I'm going to add in water to make a paste. More and more and more and more. I want to have enough for my chicken. The paste should be enough for my chicken. Just enough. Then the next step is I'm going to add in my onions. Mix and mix and mix and mix. Then a little bit of water. Once the paste is ready, we are going to add in our chicken and marinate it for an hour. So at this point, I'm just going to take my boneless chicken and I'm going to marinate it for an hour. Then I'm going to cover it with a cling film, and then we will marinate it for an hour. So guys, I've mixed in my chicken and I'm going to marinate it for an hour. So I'm just going to cover it with a cling film. So guys, I've covered it in the cling film and I'm going to let it to marinate for 1 hour. Meanwhile, I'm going to do my dishes because I don't like working in a dirty surface. And then after doing my dishes, I'm going to prepare an accompaniment for the chicken nuggets. You can eat it, you can take it with anything that you like, anything of your choice. So as for me, I'm going to take it with chips. So meanwhile, as it's marinating, I'm going to be preparing my chips. So see you in 1 hour time.
1 hour later.
So guys, our chicken has marinated. I'm just going to pass it through the breadcrumbs and then deep fry it in our oil. Meanwhile, I'm going to on our gas so that our oil may heat up. So guys, after your oil has heated up, I'm just going to allow me to use my hands. I've just washed my hands, they're clean. I'm going to take my chicken, pass it through the breadcrumbs. Then, so after passing it through the breadcrumbs, after your oil has heated, we're going to dip in our chicken inside. So guys, make sure you've washed your hands. Hygiene is important. Then another one. Be very careful for the oil not to spill on you. And another one. Then I'm just going to spread them so that they may immerse fully. I'll add some more. Into our oil. And another one. Into the oil. So we're going to wait for one side to cook. Then we'll flip it to the other side.
A few minutes later.
Okay, so let's check if the other side is ready so that we may flip it and make sure both sides are cooked, and also give the inner part time to cook. That one is not ready. Okay, so let's give the other side time to cook too. So guys, I'm just going to put them on this plate, and I have lined this plate with a serviette so that it may suck up the excess oil and drain it, because I know most of us don't like oily food. So these ones are ready. They are crispy. Hi guys, so our chicken nuggets are ready for presentation. So let me just take you to the other side. Ta-da! Our spicy chicken nuggets are ready, and I have served it with chips and some tomato sauce. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for tuning in our today's episode. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at the Lentonets, to follow our Facebook page at Yummy Yummy with the Lentonets, because we always have crazy giveaways. Till next time, guys. Bye bye.